2019 Subaru Ascent. If you want to know where your cabin filter is, it's going to be located behind your glove box. To get to it, your first step is going to be to disconnect the damper here. All you got to do is pull on it and it will disconnect. Once you have it disconnected, you're going to need to remove the glove box door. If you look behind the glove box door, the cabin filter is actually located back there. To remove the door, all you gotta do is grab it and pull towards you, and you'll feel it kind of click. Grab the other corner, pull towards you, kind of click. Then you can kind of just pull it and remove it out of the way. And if you look, it's just clipped on, okay? It's clipped on these little hinges there. The cabin filter is gonna be inside this. To open this, just press these guys in on both sides, and then you can take the door off, pulling towards you, and there's the cabin filter. Go ahead, reach up in here and grab it and pull it right out. If you need a new one, there'll be a link down below. Check this one out. This one's nice and dirty. Thank you very much.